How to scan a Snapcode from a screenshot. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can scan a Snapcode from screenshot. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Make sure that your screenshot is saved on your camera roll. After you do that, you can open up your Snapchat. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're there, you can simply tap on your add friend icon on the top right here. And after you do that, there you'll find this Snapchat icon right besides your search bar. Tap on the search icon and your recent camera roll should open up like this. There you can find your snap code. Simply tap on the snap code, and after you tap on it, it'll just scan it and you'll see the profile of that very person. And it's that simple. And now you can add a friend if you're not friends with them already. And it's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.